What is the lens above the flash on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? So let's start the video. First of all, rotate phone and you will see flash above camera. This is flash above camera. So this is laser autofocus sensor camera. So you will see flashlight is here, so above camera is here. So this is 3x camera, so 50 megapixel. So this is very important lens of Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can what is the lens above the flash on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.